Well, this sucks. We blew an engine, and it's putting an end to our trip to Puerto Rico.
One look in your eyes and I find it. When you leave in my mind I rewind it. When you got it this good, you don't fight it. It's like a sunrise warming us up. Been spending all your time lifting me up. All of the things I've been worrying seem to be disappearing now. Reminding me what days should be made of. Sunshine betting on a good time. I've been chasing butterflies all afternoon. Night drives cruising on the highlights, spending all of my time kicking with you, honey, with you.
Our first Shakedown cruise went great. We went from Titusville down to Melbourne yesterday, and no problems at all. The boat ran perfectly. No vibrations, temperatures are all good, oil pressures, everything's running nice. It feels really good. We had a nice evening, nice anchorage, great hold there, and our anchor and the new chain worked out well. It's the first time we used our new ground tackle, the new Wildcat and the new chain, so that went well. Only issue we're having right now is when we came back from the restaurant last night. Well, we had been running our new battery, our lithium Epic batteries all day yesterday and into the evening, and they ran perfectly great as well. But when we got back from the restaurant, we decided to turn the generator on to run the air conditioner at night, and I noticed that the generator was running hot. And I'm not sure why it's running hot. I recently replaced the impeller just about 6 months ago. And I checked the strainer's fine, and it is shooting water out the side, so I got to figure that out. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Could be maybe there's some buildup in the heat exchanger. The belt looked a little bit loose too, the fan or pulley for the water pump, and so I'm going to tighten that up, and hopefully it's something simple like that. I don't know what else it would be. So anyway, that's going to be something I'm going to work on probably tomorrow morning. But other than that, everything's running well. We're feeling really good. Hopefully this is going to be a really nice trip. We're on our way to Fort Pierce right now. In fact, we're only about a half hour away. And we're going to be meeting our good friends Joe and Lori there, who are going to join us for the, who knows. I think they're staying with us for half this trip at least. So I hope so. So we're looking forward to that. And yeah, we'll check in when we get to Fort Pierce.
You good?
Yeah,
Easy peasy.
good. Yeah.
Yes, nice and smooth. Name of the game this season, right?
And I got to get some fuel.
Lots of
Good
fuel.
prices too. $3.42 it looks like for diesel, and that's
Better than we paid in Titusville.
yeah, and a lot better than we paid even last year. I think we were at the upper threes, 3.90 somewhere here. So cool.
All right, let me get you the key and let's get rolling. Yay! Woo! That full, I don't fill it. Full. Would you just do that diesel mess for Joey because he loves the smell of diesel?
Okay. Thanks. I think it's powerful. This one,
Oh, it squirt right out. Oh,
Yeah, it was my fault. I didn't have it in.
all right. Well, you live and learn, right? Hey!
I thought we got lucky and you didn't bring it. I turned it, I'm not good with cameras.
What?
Each of you are going to take a loop off at the same time.
All right, where am I?
You can be in the middle.
Okay.
You got this one.
Wait, this one's tied.
I'm untying it before I
Okay,
go on the boat.
did you have the aft on?
So yeah, Lori, why don't you go to the stern? It's just loop.
It's me and Laura up here again. One engine down, but we kind of expected that because our fuel tanks are full of fuel and we thought there might be some of those buggers left. So right now, Joey and Ed are taking care of that. Me and Laura got the helm. So far, so good. I don't know what's going on. We're dead in the water though. Me and Laura are up on the upper helm again. Yike. And I smell smoke. Yike. It's the turbo. Move us out as soon as you can.
Good thing again. It's something stopping it from getting fuel. Not getting fuel. How do we change that?
What do we do?
I think what it is I think the rate cord is clogged. Not the filter, the unit.
So that was fun. And he's got one engine running now. And we've been running for, I guess, like a couple hours now, making it to Sailfish. And he's really excited to dock it with one engine. And it's going to be like a really bad current coming out. So hopefully that goes good. And we're going right there. So we're almost there. And he did some voodoo magic stuff to the one engine to get it working, which I'm sure he'll tell you all about. So till then, Roger Al.
Well, it's one of those days. We just lost an engine on our way to North Palm Beach, where we intended to cross over to the Bahamas. And it looks like I'm not going to be able to get it fixed in time to make the trip. Okay, so let me explain a little bit about what happened here. We've been cruising on the boat for, I guess, 3-4 days. It's been running perfectly. Engine, everything, idle, it just was fantastic. We were really excited. And then we were leaving Fort Pierce on our way to Sailfish at North Palm. And Lynn was piloting the boat. I was taking a nap. And then she woke me up, said the RPMs just dropped all the way from 1200, which is our normal cruising, to 800. And I thought at first, well, maybe she bumped the throttle, who knows. But I went over and I could not get the RPMs up. So I started to go downstairs to take a look at the engine, and when I was on my way there, it dropped down to like 600. And I killed the engine right away because I didn't know what was going on. I went into the engine room, and there was some small amounts of smoke coming out of the turbos. But worse than that, I could hear some water trickling, and I didn't know where it was coming from. I thought maybe there was a leak someplace, but I guess I instinctively opened up the radiator cap and looked down into the reservoir, and the water was very low. And so I searched around the engine, and what I found was water coming out of maybe a straw-sized pipe coming out of the bottom of the engine. After a lot of research and a lot of help from our friends on Facebook and the community that follows us, we determined that it is water coming out of the drain for the airbox. And this drain is really meant in case some oil sneaks by or something like that. It has a way to get out of the airbox and down into the bilge. But when I fill up the radiator, the reservoir, the water just pours right out. Almost as fast as I put it in, it's coming out the bottom of the engine. And I don't know exactly what's causing that, but a lot of people have been thinking that it's probably I have a bad sleeve on one of the cylinders or more. There's a couple other possibilities too. But whatever the possibilities are, they're nothing that I'm going to fix out here on the water. It's something that's going to require us to be at land for a while to be able to take the engine apart, and it could be something real serious. We could be down for a long repair, or maybe we'll find something relatively serious. I don't know.
No, I'm not running back to you now. Said I was all in, then you let me down. But now the world is rising, and all I think about is how far we've gone, and to give it up now. You don't know how much I wish I was over it, but all I feel is ghosts of love in your fingertips, in conversations with our friends saying I swear I quit, but you don't know how much faith it took to believe in that. Losing all lights in a house that's haunted.
It made me nervous.
This time you were the one.
Your team did a good job, though. Everybody threw their lines perfectly.
Yeah, team did a good job. The thing that was odd was that I thought I was going to the
I did too.
So I have an approach that's perfect for that. And then he's like, no, here. And like, I'm already past there. Now I
Yeah.
have to go reverse with one engine
Yeah.
and sideways with a big giant boat behind us. So, but whatever,
Oh,
it all worked.
All right.